Hello kids! Today we will learn about the short vowel E sound words. This is based on the CVC pattern. The short sound of letter E is A. So today we will learn about the short vowel E sound words along with the pictures. Now let's get started. The first one is Edwards. B-ed, bed. B-ed, bed. F-ed, fed. F-ed, fed. L-ed, led. L-ed, led. R-ed, red. R-ed, red. T-ed, ted. T-ed, ted. V-ed, wed. V-ed, wed. Now let's check out the ed words we have learned.
B-ed, bed. F-ed, fed. L-ed, led. R-ed, red. T-ed, ted. V-ed, wed.
The next one is N words. D-N, den. D-N, den. H-N, hen. H-N, hen. M-N, men. M-N, men. P-N, pen. P-N, pen. T-N, ten. T-N, ten. Now let's check out the N words we have learned.
D-N, den. H-N, hen. M-N, men. P-N, pen. T-N, ten.
The next one is egg words. B-egg, beg. B-egg, beg. L-egg, leg. L-egg, leg. P-egg, peg. P-egg, peg. Egg, egg. K-egg, keg. K-egg, keg. Now let's check out the egg words we have learned.
B-egg, beg. L-egg, leg. P-egg, peg. Egg. K-egg, keg.
The next one is et words. B-et, bet. B-et, bet. G-et, get. G-et, get. J-et, jet. J-et, jet. L-et, let. L-et, let. M-et, met. M-et, met. N-et, net. N-et, net. et, set. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. Y, et, yet. Y, et, yet. Now let's check out the et words we have learned.
B et bet. G et get. J et jet. L et let. M et met. N et net. P et pet. S et set. V et vet. V et vet. Y et yet.
The next one is eb words. V, eb, web. V, eb, web. Now let's check out the eb words we have learned.
V eb web.
The next is L words. B, L, bell. B, L, bell. D, L, del. D, L, del. F, L, fell. F, L, fell. S, L, cell. S, L, cell. T, L, tell. T, L, tell. Y, L, yell. Y, L, yell. Now let's check out the L words we have learned.
B L bell. D L del. F L fell. S L cell. T L tell. Y L yell.
So I hope you enjoyed learning about the short vowel E sound words along with the pictures. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.